In 2026, the Chevrolet 2.7-liter TurboMax engine, internally known as the L3B, continues to play a major role in General Motors' strategy to replace traditional V8 power with smaller, high-output turbocharged engines. Found in trucks like the Silverado 1500 and Colorado, this 2.7-liter inline-four has earned praise for its impressive torque output, delivering up to 430 pound-feet, which rivals some older V8 engines. On paper, it's a modern engineering success: strong low-end torque, better fuel efficiency, and reduced emissions. But in real-world ownership, especially as more of these engines cross higher mileage thresholds, a pattern of recurring issues has become harder to ignore. Even after updates introduced in 2022 to improve durability and refinement, owners and technicians are still reporting several mechanical concerns. Some are typical of turbocharged direct injection engines, while others appear to be more specific to GM's design choices. This guide breaks down the most common Chevy 2.7 turbo problems you should know in 2026, along with expert insights, real-world symptoms, and practical advice to help you avoid costly repairs. Carbon buildup on intake valves. One of the most widely reported issues with the 2.7-liter TurboMax engine is carbon buildup on the intake valves. This problem is not unique to Chevrolet. It affects nearly all direct injection engines, but it remains a major concern for long-term reliability. Unlike older port injection systems, direct injection sprays fuel directly into the combustion chamber, rather than over the intake valves. This means there is no natural cleaning effect from fuel washing over the valves. Over time, oil vapors from the crankcase ventilation system stick to the valves and form thick carbon deposits. By the time the engine reaches around 70,000 to 100,000 miles, many owners begin to notice symptoms such as rough idling, hesitation during acceleration, misfires, and reduced fuel efficiency. In more severe cases, airflow into the engine becomes restricted, leading to a noticeable drop in performance. From an expert standpoint, this is a predictable consequence of GM choosing a direct injection-only design instead of combining it with port injection, which some competitors use to mitigate carbon buildup. The most effective solution is periodic intake valve cleaning, often performed using walnut blasting. While not cheap, this maintenance procedure can restore lost performance and prevent further issues. Active fuel management, AFM, and lifter failure. Another major concern is related to GM's active fuel management system, commonly known as AFM. This technology is designed to improve fuel efficiency by deactivating certain cylinders under light load conditions. In theory, AFM is a smart way to balance power and efficiency. In practice, however, it has a long history of reliability complaints across multiple GM engines, and the 2.7-liter turbo is no exception. The most serious issue involves lifter failure. The lifters responsible for activating and deactivating valves can collapse or become stuck. When this happens, the engine may develop a ticking noise, misfire, or even lose power entirely. In extreme cases, a collapsed lifter can cause internal engine damage that requires a full teardown or replacement. Experienced mechanics often point out that AFM adds mechanical complexity to an already stressed turbocharged engine. The combination of high cylinder pressure and variable valve operation increases wear on internal components. Some owners choose to disable AFM through aftermarket tuning, but this approach can void warranties and may not be legal in all regions. Still, it highlights a broader concern. While AFM improves fuel economy on paper, it can introduce costly risks over time. Manufacturing debris in 2025-2026 models. A newer issue that has surfaced specifically in 2025 and 2026 models involves manufacturing debris affecting the hydraulic lash adjusters. GM issued a service bulletin addressing a ticking or tapping noise coming from the engine. In many cases, the root cause has been traced to small particles left behind during the manufacturing process. These contaminants can interfere with the proper operation of hydraulic components responsible for maintaining valve clearance. While this may sound like a minor issue, it can lead to improper valve timing, increased wear, and long-term engine damage if not addressed early. Technicians report that some engines require partial disassembly to clean or replace affected components, In more severe cases, entire cylinder heads may need to be replaced. From an engineering perspective, this problem raises questions about quality control during production. Even small amounts of debris can have significant consequences in modern engines with tight tolerances and complex systems. High-pressure fuel pump and injector issues. Fuel system problems are another area of concern for the 2.7-liter TurboMax engine. The high-pressure fuel pump, HPFP, and direct injectors operate under extreme pressure, which makes them more sensitive to wear and contamination. Early warning signs of fuel system issues include longer cranking times when starting the engine, inconsistent power delivery, surging at higher RPMs, and occasional stalling under load. Some owners have reported that their vehicles required software updates to the engine control module, ECM, to correct injector flow inconsistencies. While these updates can improve performance, they do not always address underlying mechanical wear. Experts note that turbocharged direct injection engines place higher demands on fuel system components compared to naturally aspirated engines. The combination of high pressure and heat can accelerate degradation over time. Using high-quality fuel and maintaining a clean fuel system can help extend component life, but failures are still being reported even with proper maintenance. Head gasket failures. Head gasket issues, while less common than some of the other problems listed here, are among the most serious. The 2.7-liter TurboMax engine operates under high boost pressure, which increases cylinder pressure and heat. Over time, this can put significant stress on the head gasket, especially if the engine experiences frequent heavy loads such as towing or hauling. Symptoms of a failing head gasket include white smoke from the exhaust, unexplained coolant loss, engine overheating, and the presence of milky oil caused by coolant mixing with engine oil. If left untreated, a blown head gasket can lead to severe engine damage, including warped cylinder heads or damaged pistons. From a technical standpoint, this issue highlights the challenges of extracting high performance from a relatively small displacement engine. While turbocharging allows for impressive power output, it also increases thermal and mechanical stress on critical components. 8-speed transmission problems. Although not part of the engine itself, the 8-speed automatic transmission paired with the 2.7-liter TurboMax has been a frequent source of complaints. Owners often describe harsher jerky shifts, delayed engagement when shifting into drive or reverse, and vibrations at highway speeds. In many cases, these issues are linked to problems with the torque converter or valve body. Some vehicles have received software updates to improve shift quality, but hardware-related issues may require more extensive repairs. From a driving experience perspective, these transmission problems can significantly impact overall satisfaction with the vehicle. Even if the engine performs well, inconsistent shifting can make the truck feel unrefined. Experts emphasize that modern transmissions rely heavily on precise calibration and fluid quality. Regular transmission fluid changes, often overlooked by owners, can help reduce wear and improve performance. Oil consumption and turbocharger wear. Another concern that has emerged over time is increased oil consumption, particularly in higher mileage engines. Turbocharged engines operate at higher temperatures and pressures, which can cause seals and piston rings to wear more quickly. As a result, some engines begin to consume oil at a noticeable rate. If oil levels are not monitored closely, this can lead to insufficient lubrication for the turbocharger, which relies on a steady supply of clean oil to function properly. Turbocharger failure is one of the more expensive repairs associated with this engine. Symptoms include whining noises, reduced power, excessive exhaust smoke, and poor acceleration. Experts strongly recommend checking oil levels regularly and adhering to strict oil change intervals. Using high-quality synthetic oil designed for turbocharged engines can also help extend component life. Cooling system stress and overheating risks. The 2.7-liter TurboMax engine's high output places significant demands on the cooling system. Under heavy use, such as towing or driving in hot climates, the engine can generate substantial heat. If the cooling system is not functioning optimally, this can lead to overheating. Common causes include coolant leaks, failing water pumps, or clogged radiators. In some cases, overheating can exacerbate other issues such as head gasket failure. From an engineering perspective, maintaining proper thermal management is critical for turbocharged engines. Even small inefficiencies in the cooling system can have a cascading effect on overall reliability. Expert reliability tips for 2026 owners. Despite these issues, the 2.7-liter TurboMax engine can still be a solid performer if properly maintained. Experts recommend several key practices to improve reliability and reduce the risk of major failures. First, consider using premium fuel. While the engine is designed to run on regular gasoline, higher-octane fuel can help optimize performance and reduce the likelihood of knock, especially under heavy load. Second, follow strict oil change intervals. Turbocharged engines are particularly sensitive to oil quality, and extended intervals can lead to sludge buildup and increased wear. Third, pay attention to early warning signs. Unusual noises, changes in performance, or warning lights should not be ignored. Addressing small issues early can prevent more serious problems later. Finally, keep track of warranty coverage. GM's powertrain warranty typically covers 5 years or 60,000 miles, but many of the issues discussed here tend to appear after that period. Understanding your coverage can help you plan for potential repair costs. Final thoughts. The Chevrolet 2.7 TurboMax engine represents a bold shift in truck engineering. It delivers impressive torque and efficiency in a compact package, proving that a 4-cylinder engine can compete with traditional V8s in many real-world scenarios. However, as we move into 2026, it's clear that this engine is not without its challenges. From carbon buildup and lifter failures to fuel system issues and transmission complaints, there are several factors that potential buyers and current owners should consider. The key takeaway is not that the engine is inherently unreliable, but that it requires a higher level of awareness and maintenance compared to older, simpler designs. For those willing to stay proactive, using quality fuel, maintaining strict service intervals, and addressing issues early, the 2.7L TurboMax can still deliver strong performance and long-term value. But for buyers expecting the simplicity and durability of a traditional V8, this modern turbocharged engine may come with a learning curve and potentially higher ownership costs over time.